So in the previous lesson we talked about adding posts, and we had looked at this media. So actually you can do the same thing over here where you can get access to your media library simply in the left hand menu. So go to media, I can see those images that I've uploaded. I have the ability to add new ones, and I have some ability here to search and customize what it's going to look like. So if I'm looking for that image, I can't find it, or if I want to update it, get a quick URL for it, I can do that here within media. So here I can either select files, drag and drop them, and upload them into the media library. And the same thing here for comments. So we had briefly looked at this earlier. So in the posts, if you are looking at your posts, you do have your comments there below. And again, these comments, you want to really want to control comments in WordPress, because you're going to really find that you do get quite a lot of spam. So depending on what your setup is, you have to really kind of rethink through how you want to handle comments on your blog, on your WordPress installation. I personally have had a lot of WordPress sites, and I've had very little value to commenting in WordPress. So I might be a little bit biased, and you might find it different, but from my personal experience, I really don't like comments, and I try to avoid a lot of stuff that happens in comments. But with comments, you have the ability to unapprove it, to reply to it, to edit it, to spam it, to trash it. And there are some really good plugins as well to handle multiple comments in order to quickly remove out comments, because I've had some WordPress sites where I've had 10,000 comments a month, and it's just a lot of spam, a lot of garbage coming in, and I've had to install plugins that can just dump out all of the comments. So again, I hope I'm not really too negative on the comments, but my personal experience hasn't been very good with comments. So here you can actually go in and edit, update comments. You've got your name, email, URL. You can update the comment. So as long as you're at admin, you can do any updates to comments that you want. In the next lesson, we're going to be talking about pages and how pages work in WordPress and how they differ from posts.